I've been the quiet one in the corner, always giving, never loud, held the weight of other people, smiled and never made a sound. I bent my heart till it was tired, called it love, called it grace, but being kind don't mean I'm blind to what you take and never say. I don't need you to choose me loudly, I just need you to be sure. I'm not built for halfway feelings or standing outside closed doors. I don't need no validation, I already know my worth. I won't sit here second guessing while you figure out the world. If you're unsure, if you're divided, if you leave me hanging on, I don't chase, I don't compete, I quietly move on. Live slightly here, not louder, just fuller. I give my all, not pieces. I don't love with 1 foot out. I don't keep open invitations while I'm trying to build a house. I won't share my heart with maybes or wait my turn in line. If I'm not where you stand fully, then you're not where I'll stay tonight. Truth don't need 1,000 words, just tell me where I stand. I don't have time to waste my soul on someone unsure of their hands. I don't need no validation, I already know my worth. I won't stay where I'm an option while you keep one eye on the door. If you're unsure, if you're distracted, if I feel it in my bones, I don't beg, I don't explain, I choose myself and go. This ain't bitterness, it's boundaries. This ain't pride, it's peace. I loved hard, I learned the hard way what love is supposed to be. I won't fight for your attention or compete with your indecision. If you don't know where I belong, that's already my decision. I don't need no validation, I don't need to prove a thing. I want truth, I want intention, I want roots, not fragile limbs. If you're not choosing me clearly, if your heart's not all the way in, there's no anger, no scene at all, I just won't be there again. Soft steel guitar, voice almost a whisper. I finally learned loving myself means walking away first.